Hello, aspiring Upwork rockstar. My name is Gaurav Guru, and as you can see here on my screen, I'm a digital marketing evangelist, and I got started on Upwork back in 2008, and it's been a great journey where we've earned about $90,000 just through this one platform. And I want to share with you some of the work history that we did, the kind of jobs that we took up, the projects that we delivered, and more importantly, just show you the feedback that we kind of received for doing more than 350 hours on this one platform. Now, in a service business, as you can understand, that it's difficult to keep all clients happy all the time. But I think we did a fairly good job because we ended up with a 95 plus positive rating over the course of this platform. And that was something that really kept us going. Our work was being appreciated, we were paying on time. And I think Upwork, as well as a few other platforms, can really help turbocharge your freelancing career, especially if you are a digital marketing professional. Of course, if you do graphics and if you do have a specific skill set, Upwork may or may not be for you. I do know that digital marketing works just fantastically well with Upwork. So just some kind of feedback. Back in 2016, doing some SEO, one-time SEO job, and that's about $800. This was another really cool project. You can see we had it for over 6 years. We were working with the same client for over 6 years and earned about $3,300. And the reviews were just absolutely fantastic. Really happy to work with these customers. Some in some areas we did better than the others, like SEO. We were probably the number one provider on Elance actually back in the day, so it wasn't called Upwork, it was called Elance. But they were kind enough to import all our ratings and reviews ever since 2010 or 2008, whenever we got started. And you can see mostly 3 stars, sorry, mostly 5 star ratings. We did get 3.5 star rating, which we were really extremely disappointed with. But you can't please everyone all the time. You could see right around that time, we were getting like feedbacks from so many different clients at the same time that we were really proud, and we were able to increase our pricing accordingly back in 2010, back in 2008. Now, of course, Elance and Upwork, they gave us platforms where we built some amazing relationships with customers who had worked with us through Elance back in the day, and till date we continue to work with these larger digital marketing providers in the US. But sincere thanks to Upwork and Elance for making it possible to connect with these people through this marketplace. So that is kind of how we got started pretty much with digital marketing. We realized that we could definitely earn a lot more as an Indian company if we were taking international business. The dollar values always been so strong, and with a few jobs we were doing like a decent amount. And during this time when we got started till the time we kind of moved on from this platform, we developed a set of standard operating procedures. We developed a list of templates through a lot of trial and error. And every now, once in a while, we go ahead, make a few bids, and they still work fantastically well. And I'd like to share these with people. We've moved on. The last time we worked was last year in 2018 on Upwork. We've just got our hands tied with so many interesting new projects that we want to start sharing this information with freelancers who are really looking at getting started, making their first $100,000 on Upwork. We've got everything laid out for you over here. So let us know if you are interested. Leave a comment and be happy to share the next few links that we've got prepared for you. Talk to you guys soon.